This is an old file, and today I'm going to be giving it a second life by turning it into a knife. The blade design I have in mind for this today is a fighter style, and I want it to be about 6 inches long, so I'm going to cut this down to about 5.5 inches, so then we don't go overboard on the material that we use.
Well, that was one heck of a project. This thing turned out super nice. Super happy with how the handle polished up and just the blade in general. We got that fighter / hunter style knife we were looking for. And yeah, to think that this was once a rusty painted file and is now a functional tool that can be used for camping and stuff in the future is super exciting. Thank you guys so much for all the support I've been seeing recently. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff helps me out. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one whenever that may be.